Whenever you want to service a VHS tape, you simply need to take it apart. The first thing to do is to make sure that the sticky label that was put on the front, you need to cut that so that you can pull the cassette apart. The cassette itself is held together by 5 screws. They're posi-drive or Phillips screws. You can simply undo them so you can get to the mechanism inside. Now, the VHS video home system was developed by JVC. This was in 1976. Now, when you have removed all 5 screws, there's one important thing you must do, and that is to turn it over. When you turn it over, you can lift up the top part without losing or displacing any components inside. Now, when you have removed the top part, you'll see the 2 reels. If you look carefully at the bottom, you will see there are 2 reel brakes. This stops the reels from going round. The brakes are released when the cassette is inserted into the VCR. So if you look now very carefully at where the tape goes, on the right hand side here, as you can see, if I go a bit closer, you can see it goes on one side of this circular runner, goes in between and then comes out and goes to the other side. And if you look carefully again, if I can get it close up, you can see it's wrapped around and there's a small slip sheet. It's to stop the friction and make it run smoothly. So if we look carefully again where it goes around the tape guide right to the other side. And it's very important to get the tape in the right place, otherwise it won't work correctly. So as you can see, it's fairly straightforward. You just got to make sure that everything is in its right place, otherwise the tape might not go back into its reels correctly. So let's now put it back together. We're going to put the top on, and as soon as we do, make sure it's down correctly and then turn it over. Put the 5 Phillips or posi-drive screws back in. Make sure that it all works. The brake works. And make sure also that the flap can open in the front, like so. You push in the side there and you can then open it and close it. One final thing that's important to know is that this little flap, now you can leave it on there. If you do, it means you can record over what you've recorded. However, if you don't want to record over it, you can simply break it off. Now, all the pre-recorded tapes that you have would have this missing because it would stop you from recording over it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe.